Now, mainly west of I-75 that have some of the steadiest rain and some embedded downpours, but for the folks east of I-75, you're going to get on the rain very shortly. So let me walk you through the radar right now. Steady rain right now across the southern valley, across portions of McMinn and Monroe County, up towards Loudoun County, some embedded downpours even here in Knox County. Some of the heaviest downpours have been on the plateau into portions of Cumberland and Fentress counties, but also seeing a band of heavier downpours from Scott to Campbell County, down to Anderson County, and for our friends in parts of southeastern Kentucky, getting in on the rain right now over to McCreary and Whitley counties at this hour. This batch of showers will move in throughout the afternoon, but then we'll see a brief break later in the day. At this hour, 51 in Nyota and Tellico Plains, as well as in Maynardville, cooler 46 in Williamsburg, Kentucky. Now today, we will make a run towards the upper 50s. Rain and rumbles throughout the day. Haven't seen any rumbles of thunder yet or flashes of lightning, but this afternoon we could see some. And some localized flooding, keeping a very close eye on our rivers, creeks, and streams this afternoon. So the timeline forecast, this batch of showers continues to move through the region, and into the afternoon we'll be watching to see if we can get a break in rain coverage, especially south of Interstate 40. If this does happen, this could allow for some more unstable air to move through before another batch of showers and then even some storms moves through as we head towards Saturday night. Now in towards Sunday morning, rain continues to pull out, a couple spotty showers around, still some gusty winds though, and then cooler air starts to move in. So our temperatures fall through the day on Sunday, and as they do so, we could start to see a mix to some snow for the higher elevations as we heading towards Sunday afternoon. So our flood risk today, a 2 out of 4 for a lot of the region. Be mindful of those low-lying flood-prone areas, almost all of East Tennessee under a flood watch. So just something to keep in mind if you are out and about throughout the day today, expecting upwards of 1 to 2 inches of rain for some of the region. Now our severe threat level, it is a 1 out of 5 for areas along and south of Interstate 40. This is a very conditional threat. We need the rain that's in place right now to move out, and we need that unstable air from Mississippi and Alabama to move into the region ahead of those storms. Now, what's working against is the timeline. Now, the ability to see stronger storms is going to be later in the evening as the sun is setting, and it's not usually the best time frame for some storms. But I think the idea is maybe just have a way to receive watches and warnings should they be warranted this afternoon. If a storm can tap into some unstable air, it could produce some gusty to damaging winds, and the potential's there for a brief, quick spin-up tornado. We also are seeing some gusty winds in the Smokies with peak gusts upwards of 55 miles per hour. That's why a wind advisory has been issued there. But we will continue to see stronger wind gusts throughout the day tomorrow as we see a mix of some rain and snow for the higher elevations of the Smokies, as well as in southeastern Kentucky, with just a couple lingering flurries by the time we get towards Monday morning. So for snow totals, really have to go up in elevation to see between 1 to 3 inches for the peaks of the Smokies, as well as the peaks of Harlan County right on that Lee County line. So today, rain and rumbles and the potential for a strong to potentially severe storm across the southern valley. Tomorrow, temperatures fall through the day. A few lingering flurries by the time you get out Monday morning for the mountains. Tuesday, though, does look much drier.